wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best earthquake kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. If you're more worried about being trapped in your home than ending up on the move, Mayday Industries offers this bucket that contains a pry bar, a water shut-off tool and waste bags in case you have to use the bathroom and can't walk off into the woods. It includes 4 solar blankets and waterproof matches, but the thin handle makes it hard to carry. At number 8, this backpack from Ready America can sustain 2 people for up to 3 days. It's got food, water and blankets, so you can stave off the cold if need be. The light sticks can help you see in the dark or signal authorities. It includes a 33-piece first aid kit and emergency ponchos. However, the bag is small and has no extra room. Coming in at number 7 on our list, First My Family offers this sizable kit that includes rations for 4 people. It's also got work gloves and masks in case you're dealing with collapsed buildings or contaminated air. The food is nut-free to avoid allergy issues. It comes with 2 boxes of matches and mylar blankets for warmth, but both the packs are quite heavy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, this discreet red option from Emergency Zone comes without a label in case you're worried about having your supplies stolen before you can use them. It includes a 48-page preparedness guide to walk you through what you need to do when the unthinkable happens. It features a tube tent and sleeping bags and water purification packets. However, the perishables have a short shelf life. Moving up our list to number 5. Those with some survival skills who want a small version for the car can make use of the aootek Upgraded, which includes tools like wire cutters and metal file that can be employed in wilderness situations, such as starting a fire in the winter. It comes with fishing line and hooks, along with a compass and a whistle, but note that the included flashlight requires batteries. At number 4, this choice from Zippmo survival gear is designed for those in rural areas who may have to travel long distances or wait days for assistance. The Aqua tabs can treat up to 6 gallons of water, and the Nalgene bottle lets you fill up periodically if sources are scarce. It features a wire saw and a survival knife, waterproof sleeping bags, and a magnesium fire starter. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Get Ready Now personal 72-hour grab and go has you covered when the sun goes down. It's got a mini lantern as well as a headlamp, glow sticks and a flashlight, so no one in your family will have to be without illumination in the dark. All the items are visible through the clear plastic, and it includes waste disposal bags, along with spare AA and AAA batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Sustain Supply offers this option containing a portable stove for cooking, along with bowls and utensils to maintain a sense of normalcy. The first aid kit is stocked with bandages, pain relievers, ointment, gauze, and a guide to emergency care. It features food with a 30-year shelf life, 24 packets of water, and extra room to add more items. And taking the top spot on our list, the complete earthquake bag is available in 6 sizes depending on how many are in your family, from 1 to 6 people. It includes a hand crank phone charger, which is important if the power goes out and you end up waiting in one spot for days. It's equipped with a multifunctional knife, 50 feet of rope, and a handy sewing kit. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earthquake kits, or simply click beneath this video.